Microsoft Windows quietly runs a process that makes your PC look good, but not run fast. This setting is turned on by default, it's buried inside of Windows, and it takes away your PC's power. So much so that most people don't even know it exists, much less even know that turning it off can really speed things up. The fix is very simple. It won't harm your PC and takes just a few seconds. In your search box, type Performance. Then click Adjust the Performance and Appearance of Windows. Just so you understand, this Performance section controls the visual effects and background behavior of your system that ultimately impact your computer speed. This includes things like visual animations, shadows, how windows open-close, sliding menus, fades, and so on. The bottom line is these settings use your PC's processing power to look nice, but not run faster. And these settings aren't even necessary. All right, how about we speed up your computer by making some easy changes? You want to click on this custom option and turn everything off, and then turn on just these 3 options. The settings to go with are show thumbnail instead of icon, because this setting won't take up any major resources. The big one is smooth edges of screen fonts, because if you don't, your system fonts will look fuzzy and will be hard to read. And the last one to check is this smooth scroll option. Now granted, this may take up a little bit more of your resources, but what it does is make scrolling easier on your eyes, and scrolling won't feel so jumpy. You can experiment to see which works best for you. After you select those 3, click OK, and you're all set. Now, if you have a super fast computer with a high-end processor, changing these settings won't make much of a difference. But if you have a PC that doesn't have a lot of active memory, work with large files, or even edit videos, changing these Windows performance options can make things more responsive. And while you're at it, here's another way Windows 11 slows you down.